In the next few minutes, I'll be addressing the most common questions about Metanail Serum Pro and sharing a crucial note about the money-back guarantee. My goal is to ensure you feel completely confident about your decision to order today. How to use Metanail Serum Pro for the best results. Metanail Serum Pro comes in 30 milliliters bottles. According to the manufacturer's guidelines, you should apply 3 to 6 drops of the serum to the affected area. To achieve optimal benefits, use the serum twice daily for approximately 30 days. Keeping your feet and nails clean and free from dust and dirt would be ideal. To prevent follicle damage and dryness, moisturize your cuticles. Is Metanail Serum Pro safe? Rest assured, Metanail Serum Pro has been embraced by thousands of individuals with remarkable success. With its natural ingredients of the highest quality, all carefully handled according to the USDA National Organic Program in an FDA-registered and inspected facility, Metanail Serum Pro is a safe choice for your health. Will Metanail Serum Pro work for me? Countless men and women of all ages have experienced the incredible health benefits that Metanail Serum Pro offers. While results may vary from person to person, the formula behind Metanail Serum Pro is backed by clinical research. You can find all the scientific references on the official website linked in the video description. What's the estimated delivery time for orders? Rest assured, we process and ship out all orders within 24 hours, Monday through Friday. While delivery times may vary, domestic shipments typically arrive within 5 to 7 days. For international orders, please allow 10 to 12 days for delivery, contingent upon customs processing. Will I be billed again after that? Rest assured, your purchase of Metanail Serum Pro today entails a one-time payment, ensuring that you won't be enrolled in any auto-ship subscriptions or encounter any hidden fees. With this arrangement, you have complete control over your purchase, providing you with peace of mind and the confidence to prioritize your health without any ongoing financial commitments or surprises. And what if Metanail Serum Pro doesn't work for me? Your satisfaction is their top priority, so they back Metanail Serum Pro's effectiveness with unwavering confidence. In fact, they are so certain of its efficacy that each bottle is guaranteed with a personal 60-day, 100% money-back guarantee. This means that if, for any reason, you are not completely satisfied with the results you experience, you can simply return the unused portion of Metanail Serum Pro within 60 days for a full refund, no questions asked. Your trust and satisfaction are paramount to them, and they are committed to ensuring that you feel supported and confident on your journey towards better health. Metanail Serum Pro bonuses. Aside from the 60-day money-back guarantee, you will get 2 exclusive bonuses that will help boost your general health. Supercharge your body. The guide contains professional topics, such as how to support and boost your immunity, changes and activities that you can apply immediately to improve the immune system. Other extra sources to grow your knowledge and help you support general immunity, and much more. Biohacking strategies. The free resource boosts energy, releases your best self, and maximizes your potential. It is the best solution for everyone who wants to hack themselves and their mind to increase their lifestyle. With this bonus, you can increase focus and boost general energy levels and performance by utilizing today's technology. A word of caution: Metanail Serum Pro is sold exclusively through the manufacturer's website. This is the sole method to ensure access to the return guarantee and prompt shipping of your order. For your safety and peace of mind, I've included the official website link in the video description. It provides a secure environment for your purchase. So, what are you waiting for to embrace a happier, healthier life? Join the countless men and women already experiencing the benefits of daily Metanail Serum Pro use. Still have questions? Feel free to leave a comment, and I'll respond as soon as possible. Take care.